Hey, beautiful people, how are you doing? It's so great to have you here. My name is Bridget. If you're watching me for the first time, I'm so happy to see you. I'm so happy to have you here. In today's tutorial, we're gonna be making this wig cap. Not this wig cap, sorry. We're gonna be making this beautiful ponytail. And for this beautiful ponytail, I'm gonna be using a wig cap as my ribbon. I didn't have a ribbon at that moment, so I had to use a wig cap. And the braid that I'm using 1 million braid. You can make use of any braid of your choice, any braid you have, any braid you want, or even expression. It can go well, it can do well as well. So right now I'm gonna cut my hair in half and then pull off the ends. So when you're done pulling your hair, this is how the hair is gonna look like. It's gonna come in a ponytail style. And then when you're done, you have to section your hair into smaller amounts, and then you tie it on the ribbon. And make sure when you're tying the ribbon, when you're tying your hair, it has to be tight, it has to be strong, so that the hair won't come out. So if you like a lot of volume, you have to continue adding more hairpiece until you get the desired amount of hairpiece, the desired amount of hair of volume that you want in your head. If you like smaller volume, you just have to put small amount of hairpiece. Guys, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment and tell me what you think about this hairstyle. Is it nice? Did you try it? Are you going to try it? Until we see you again next time. Bye.